Rains in UAE is a rare sight, but technology is way ahead. You can now enjoy a downpour of rain in UAE without getting drenched. How cool is that? Don't believe me? Come on in. So the technology is so apt. The minute the camera detects a human presence, they stop raining around a 6 centimeter radius. So can you see I'm in between water, but then a 6 centimeter radius, there's no water and I'm not getting drenched. How cool is that? Wow, what an experience was that. I was inside a rainy room and did not get wet at all. How is that even possible? So next time you guys want a rainy experience, you know where to come. If you liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Crown Tales.